Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Linda. So today I'm going to show you all how I make moi moi. I made a video of this before, but this is an updated video, so you can check my previous video out. So you're going to need your peeled beans. I also have a video on how you can peel your beans super fast. I'm going to leave the link in the description box, so check that out. So you're going to blend your beans into paste. I added the peeled beans, habanero peppers, and bell pepper, crayfish, and onions. So you're going to blend this into paste, then transfer it into a clean bowl. So you continue blending until you completely blend your beans. So in a pot, I'm going to add oil, then some onions. I'm going to let this fry for about a few seconds. Then I'm going to add my tomato paste. So this is what I did differently here. I added the tomato paste. Then you're going to fry the paste until it's like very dry. So make sure you put your heat on a low heat. It has to be low, if not your paste will start burning. So you're going to continuously stir your paste so that it doesn't burn. So you're just going to I'm still frying the paste. So right here you can see that the paste has like a little bit of seed. So this what you're looking for. So after you've got that consistency, you're going to add some water to break it down into a paste, so you won't see that little lumps there. So that's how you're going to do it. So when you're done with that, you need to mix your blended beans. You're going to mix it for about a minute or so. Then I'm adding in my egg. Continue mixing until it's well combined. Then I'm going to add my stock cube, then the fish stock. You're going to mix this all together. Then this is where I added the paste, so it will give it like that bright red color, and the taste is gonna be different, but it's very good. So you're going to continuously stir your mix until it's all combined. Don't mind the oil. The oil is not too much. Just follow the recipe. I'll leave a link in the description box of the measurement and all the recipe that I use. If you follow this measurement, you're gonna be fine. It will come out really great. So you added in some, here I added warm water. So you mix it, then taste for salt, and like your seasoning, taste it for salt. If you're not satisfied with the salt, then you can add more seasoning. But if you follow this recipe, you're going to be fine. Your moi moi will come out perfectly. I'm using a container. I'm adding the mackerel fish that I boiled. Then when you're done, then you're going to boil in some water, like a little bit of water. So in this process, you're basically going to steam your moi moi. If you don't want to boil, like steam it on the stove, you can put it in the oven as well. So put it in a container or a foil wrap. So after 45, you're going to cook for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, your moi moi is ready, guys. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.